Hey guys, welcome back to Hackware Bro. So today we are gonna talk about how can you create your own one commands to increase your productivity just like that. If I am typing uni, then I can directly open my folder, university folder, without moving to this file paths. Okay. If I am typing find job, then my automated program can find jobs for me, today's latest job. Okay. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Before moving towards the discussion, I want to mention one thing, that if you haven't watched my previous video on the topic of the most important keyboard shortcuts to increase your productivity, then check out the video first so that you can understand that which type of keyboard shortcut you can use to increase your productivity. As I discussed in my previous video, Windows R. By pressing Windows R, you can open your run dialog box, right? And then you can type any command you want. But in this video, I will talk about how can you create your own one command. Before moving towards how you can create your own one commands, I want to clear all of the concepts regarding run dialog box so that you can easily deal with it. Okay? So, first of all, keep one thing in your mind. Any program which you can run through your CMD, you can run through your run command as well. But I am not talking about CMD command line built-in commands. Let me show you what does it mean by that. If I am opening my command line, as we know, dir is built-in command, okay, not the program. This is the command to show our directories as well as file in the current directory. So let me enter. Now you can see here it is showing me all of the directories and files in the current directory, okay, whereas ping is the program. Okay, keep one thing in your mind, ping is the program. And if I am typing here localhost, now you can see here. Now many people might be thinking why he is saying program, but we call it command, right? It is the command because we are using it in command form. If you check this ping file, then this is the program which helps you to run ping. Okay, so let me prove it that I am saying right or wrong. So you can see here, if I am typing dir, it will throw me an error. Okay, whereas if I am typing ping localhost, now it is pinging my localhost. Simple. I hope this might be clear to all of you guys. We can see here cd. cd is the built-in command, okay, not the program. So I can't run it on run dialog box. Whereas ipconfig or time, date, anything which is the program, we can write, we can run through run dialog box. Okay, we have to clear all of the perspective if we want to become the professional hacker. Okay, that's why I am clearing all of the terms, that what's the difference between CMD commands, built-in commands, and the commands which is used by the programs. Okay, so how can we create our own commands? Then this concept will clear that we will create our own programs and make our own commands. Okay, so move towards the next topic. Now guys, let's suppose if you wanna run multiple commands through a single click or through a single command, then how can you do that? Simply you can create your own file which consists of multiple commands. Okay, and that file is called batch file or .bat file, bat file. Okay, let's suppose if you wanna open that folder, okay, through CMD, then how can you open that folder? Simply, first of all, you have to jump onto that drive, right? So let me type e : jump onto that drive, and then let me type cd temp. Why cd temp? If I am typing dir, then I can see here in local disk E, here is a temp folder. Okay, so let me type cd temp, and then let me type start, and then space, and then full stop, or you can say dot, to open that folder, and then press enter. Now you can see here it automatically opened that folder for me. Now let's type these commands into a single file of bat. Okay, let me create a new file and then let me change its file format. Okay, .txt.bat. Okay, and then script. Okay, change it, and I am opening this file with Notepad. You can open this file in VS Code as well, but I am not opening in VS Code because my computer is lagging so much due to some issues. I will resolve it later. So let me type first of all E colon and then CD temp and then what was that? Start. Okay, start, full stop, and then pause. Why I am using pause? Let me show you again. Let me copy this file. Let me copy this file and then copy .bat and then open. Let me open this and then let me remove. Let me show you first of all if I am using ping localhost and then I am opening this file. As you guys know that in run command, in run dialog box, when I was typing ping localhost, then after executing my command, my CMD will automatically disappear, right? Pause will help you to hold your screen. After pressing enter key, you can close your CMD. Now let me show you one more thing. You can see here it is showing input as well, right? Let me run this and it is showing input here as well. Now how can you remove this in, because you only want to deal with output. Okay, so let me show you. If you type 8 okay before any of your command, then this output won't show on your screen. So let me show you again. Let me close this first and then let me type it again. Now you can see here there is no input or here, or you can say prompt. This is called prompt. Okay, now you can see here press any key to continue and then I am pressing enter to start it. Now let me show you that what will happen when I run this script. Let me show you. I am pressing script.bat. Now it is suddenly stopped, but it is not opening my file. Why? Let me clear one more thing. Just like it is executing E colon command, right? Now after E colon command, it will simply jump onto that directory, onto that local disk. This is on this local, this is already on this local disk. That's why this is useless command. Now you can see here, this is in the folder of scripts. Now you can see here scripts. So that's why there is no temp folder and it is not able to find that folder. So what we can do right here, simply we can give absolute path over here. Let me show you again. I am giving the absolute path over here. Sorry, forward slash, not backward slash. Okay, now let me run this command again. Fine. Now you can see here it suddenly opened that temp folder right here. Now you can see here I already created this file. Now I hope guys this might be clear to all of you guys. Now let's move towards another topic. Now guys, as you know that if we want to open any program using CMD, simply first of all we have to move towards that location where our file is located. After that we can simply type its name to open that file, right? By the way, let me clear one more thing, that you can use this bar as a run dialog box, right? Let me show you. If I am typing notepad here, I can open notepad. If I am typing CMD, I can open CMD as well. If I am typing ping localhost, I can use ping my localhost as well. Let me open CMD. Let me show you. I am on that directory. Okay, if I want to run that script, then simply I have to type script.bat. Okay, now you can see here it automatically open temp folder and press enter. Sorry, I forgot one thing. Let me open this file and then let me put 8 over here, because you can see here, let me show you. You can see here when I ran this script, you can see the prompt is showing over here. So I typed here. Now I can run it again. Let me script.bat. It automatically opened my temp folder without showing these things. Okay, so let me close it. Let me tell you one more thing. You can also write script without .bat extension. Now you can see here it is also working right now. And you can also run exe file as well without giving exe extension. Now let me show you one more thing. If I am moving towards parent directory, let me show you one more thing. If I will try to type script, or I will try to open script.bat file from another location, it won't work. Okay, that was the reason I want to clear to all of you guys that how can you run any of your script anywhere you want in your computer. Okay, just like if I try to type Python, I can run that Python program anywhere I want. If I try to open ipconfig, I can run anywhere I want, right? Regardless of its location. So how can we run script.bat anywhere we want? Simply, first of all, we have to copy that location. Sorry, let me again. Now, first of all, let me copy this path, and then let's move towards our advanced system settings by moving here and then properties, and then let me open advanced system settings, environment variables. Now, what is environment variables? Let me clear one thing. Environment variables simply stores your CMD data. Path variable is one of the environment variables which stores your path, which means whenever you try to run any one of your program regardless of your location, then your CMD will try to find your program within those location which is mentioned or stored in your path variable. So let me add my location over here, e-scripts. Okay, you can put your location as well, or you can put your scripts in one of those locations as well. Means I can, let me show you, I can first of all I can copy this program and can put can put any one of those locations where I want. Okay, just like you can see here, there is also the location of Python. That's the reason we can use Python program anywhere we want. Okay, now I already typed location over here. Now okay, and then okay, and then okay. So close it, and then let me close it. Let me open CMD again, and then let me move towards any one of the location which I want. Now I have to type script.bat. Now you can see here, amazing, anywhere I want. So now let me type script as well without bat. Now it is also opening here. Let me show you again script. Now you can see here it is opening here. Now in the start of the video, as I said, any program which you can run in your CMD, you can run in your run dialog box as well. So let me show you. If I am pressing Windows R to open run dialog box, and then I am opening, let me close it first. Let me type script, just script, and then press enter. Now you can see here you can create your own run commands by using this. Now let me clear one more thing as well. As I said, you can create anything you want. Even you can create your Python automated scripts. I have some scripts already written on my folder over here. You can see here jobfinder.py. You can check out my GitHub repository in which I already created my job finder program to automate my tasks. That's the reason I can write find job in my run dialog box to open my Python file or to run my Python file. Let me show you. First of all, let me copy these programs and then let me paste it over here. Okay, So now let me open findjob.bat. Okay, so let me edit it. Now you can see here Python. Okay, Python command simply, and I am giving the absolute location as I said previous when I was talking about script.bat. Okay, now you can see here a weird symbols, percentage and then star. Why we are using these commands? Let me tell you, when I was writing ping localhost, right? Then localhost is the argument, right? And localhost is given to the ping command or ping program, you can say. Okay, now same strategy applies here. Whenever I want to give any argument to my Python program rather than giving to my command line, means whenever I try to give any command or any argument over here, then simply it will redirect my commands in my Python program, because some Python programs can take arguments as well, as we know that. Okay, so I hope this video might be helpful for you guys. If you haven't followed me on my GitHub account, then don't forget to follow me on my GitHub account to get more latest updates and programs. You can check my source code as well by visiting my GitHub repo. Okay, and you can also see how can you use this file effectively to increase your productivity. If you have any question, then you can comment down below. Thanks for watching.